Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T Sportline, and check out this very stock looking Model 3. No chrome delete, the stock wheels are still on it, and that's okay because that's the way the customer liked it. But one thing this customer did not like was the stock interior of his Model 3. As you know, when you buy a Tesla Model 3 or a Y, you get two options: vegan white, vegan black. That's it. Some people want a little bit more, and we have a really nice full interior upgrade program for the Model 3. Let me share with you what we did on this one, and yes, it's vegan. When you get your Model 3 and it has a black interior, it also has the wood panel dash, and it's pretty basic inside. We have a full program that allows you to customize your seating the way you want it. Different patterns to choose from, whether it's the original Tesla pattern, our insignia pattern, or what this customer went with, the diamond pattern. The inserts of the seats are quilted in a very cool and sporty diamond design. We used our white, Uber White, vegan material throughout the upholstery process, gave it a little bit of a black stitch, and now he's got a white vegan interior with just a little bit more pop to it with our diamond quilting. Thank you so much for watching, Tesla fans. Please leave your comments below. I really want to hear your thoughts about whether you like this diamond quilted inserts. What color would you reupholster your Model 3 or Model Y? We are actually about to announce our Model Y program next week. So stay tuned. Lots of more videos coming your way soon. And if you don't already follow our channel, please do so.